So that's why you need to visit it in the morning. So I'm just gonna make my way. Hey everyone, so welcome back to another episode of Because I Explore, and I'm actually in Dadar and we are going to take a walk of the flower market. So here I am. So doesn't matter the time of the day or day of the week, it's just the same over here. So specifically this market is famous for the flowers and groceries and everything else, but you can also visit this market for other things. So I'll just show you around. You can see there are like fruits and flowers and vegetables up for sale. And there are shops where you can have breakfast and lots of other things. So specifically for flowers, you can see now usually you're supposed to visit this market in the morning, but doesn't matter, you still get the things that you're looking for. Just look at that. So that's why you need to visit it in the morning. Look at those crazy crowds. Okay, so I'm just gonna make my way through the crowds. Let's go. So we got flowers and some more flowers. So I'm just barely walking around. Look at that. Beautiful roses. Nice. So this flower market is on the west side of the Dadar station. Just exit it and keep walking to the left. Okay, that's the bridge behind me. But if you try to grab a taxi from here, well, that's going to be difficult because the best option is public transport. From here, that's the problem. So yeah, best option is always the best bus. So let's go.